Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Siri voice on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and then you need to record a video. So let me record a video first. Okay, so video is recorded. Let me add a text. And click on the text and click on text to speech. So now you can see that how easily I add Siri voice on TikTok. So by following these steps you can easily add Siri voice on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.